Hey you unicorns, welcome to the Z world. Let's just create a butterfly fairy sort of makeup look. Here is my dummy. Oh, I forgot to clean it the last time I created this spider makeup look. If you haven't checked this makeup out, do check it out after watching this video. So I have this flash palette from Makeup Forever. Let's just do the eyebrow. And I have this James Charles palette, my baby. I'll take the darkest blue and the purple shade from it. What color should we choose for the lower lid? This yellow or this yellow? Let's just go with this yellow. Blend, blend, blend. And this purple shade took my heart. It is so beautiful. Just look at it. Ah, so beautiful, right? Let's just tap it on to the middle lid. Here, oh my god, so beautiful. Nose contour. And I'll be applying some yellow pigment onto our inner lower lash line. And I have this highlighter palette. I'll be choosing this pinkish kind of shade. Okay, so I'll be uploading the short of this video, so do check that out, but not today, of course. Tomorrow maybe. Okay, now let's just finish this butterfly fairy makeup look. Subscribe if you wanna watch some beautiful and crazy makeup looks. Do check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.